Hello guys, in this video we are going to make the adjustments to add the armor in our players' animations. So let's get started. First, we have to add all the sprites to the armor hierarchy and rename them to the correct name. To make easiest when we select the sprites in the animation. So as you can see, I already have all the armor sprites and I have set them to the position where the player is. We are only going to work in the animation window. Let's work first the crouch animation. Click on record, select the crouch sprite and enable. Next, select the idle sprite and disable. Again, I have moved the correct position this sprite and all the sprites. So next animation. Let's work the slide. Again, press record, next select the idle sprite, set disable. Next select slide sprite and set enable. But I forgot something here. We also have to adjust the sword position. So press record, select the sword and set in the hand to the player. Let's try this out. Next, let's work with jump animation. As the same, press record, select the idle sprite and disable. Next, enable the sprite jump 1 and adjust the sword position. Select the next frame and disable the jump 1 and enable the jump 2. Adjust the sword position. Let's try it out. The sword has a smooth movement. We have to select only the sword position frames, right click, both tangents, and select linear. Now, the sword slash animation. Again, press record, select idle and disable, select frame per frame, and enable and disable the correct sprite. So for that reason I have renamed all the sprites. It is easier to select the frame and enable the sprites. Let's make the last animation, and it has something special here. In the inspector we have the property ordering layer, so you have to select all the run sprite, set this property in 3. This was because we have to put the sword behind the player. Let's make this fast, because first time I did this changing the property with record. So you can let it like that, or you can remove all of these properties in the animation and set in order layer in 3, as I said. And that's all. This is the last video that we work to animate our character. I think so. Cause now with this you can make the other animation as you like for your player. Adding the other parts, components or characters. In the next video, we will add our first enemy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.